Why is diamond painting important and beneficial? If you were wondering why diamond painting is great, here are just some of the reasons why this art will improve your lifestyle in many ways. 1. It's easy. You don't have to be a talented individual to enjoy this type of painting. Even a complete beginner will be able to create beautiful pictures to share with their family and friends. 2. It's perfect for gifts. If you're looking to surprise a loved one or have an upcoming birthday party, the diamond painting might be just the perfect thing for you. 3. It reduces stress and anxiety. The world can be a busy place. Having all sorts of obligations can cause some serious stress issues and make you feel nervous and anxious on a constant basis. 4. Home decoration. You could save a lot of money using your work to make your home look more artistic and beautiful.